I'm back. For this video, I wanted a finger paint, but I called up paint and she wasn't available. So instead, we're going to be making drinks with Ansel, the Dungeon Barkeep. He makes cocktails using RPG dice as a guide. That's right, Rap God Marshall Mathers M&M inspired cocktails. Rocket propelled grenade. Role-playing games. Roly-poly goalies. He's made some drinks for the Bad Astra team, and I'm going to be making the drink that he made for me. And now the other videos were live, and this one isn't. So to mimic the live feeling, here's 4 minutes of technical issues. I'm also going to add a small video of Ansel in the lower corner, so it's just like he's here with us. How you doing today, Ansel? Are you polishing that in case you feel fancy?
In case I feel fancy today. I haven't polished this one in a while.
I never polish mine. It would be like sending a terminally ill child to school. Like, yeah, good idea if you were going to be around much longer, but you aren't, so why would we bother? My drink is called the Glow Stick, and here's how we're making it. Step 1, simple syrup. I just bought this, but you can make it at home. As the name implies, it's very complicated and difficult. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of this, but all my measuring devices are in metric. However, a barbecue sauce tub is 1 ounce, so we are going to use that to measure this out. The 1 ounce actually refers to the weight of the barbecue sauce, but all the units are in ounces, so if you could use anything as long as you're doing like 1, 1, 3. Spoiler, that's the ratio. Just make sure you clean out the barbecue sauce tub first. Or don't. Second ingredient we are going to layer on top, and it is lime juice. I also bought this, but if you want to go ahead and juice some limes, I'm not going to stop you. Okay, so be sure to do that with your hands and also get a spoon so you can properly layer it. I've doubled the mixture in this glass so you can see the layers. What you want to do is basically pour it over the back of a spoon very slowly, and it should layer. It's not too hard. Like, I'm doing pretty well, and I haven't spooned in years. And now our final ingredient, tonic water. We are going to do 3 ounces of this and put it in a separate container because tonic water does something cool. Remember, if you do this at home, the ratio is 1:1:3. I'm doubling it so that you can see the layers more. So I'm doing 2:2:6. You can also do 4:4:12. I don't know, get a calculator. And 6. And make sure you make the tonic water at home. You can't buy it. It is physically impossible to buy it. I don't know how to make it, but you have to. So my drink is called the Glow Stick because tonic water under a black light will glow. The water has a chemical called quinine in it. Sometimes I've heard that called quinine. Either way, it reacts to UV light and it gives it this blue glow. Here, let me turn off the lights so that you can see it a little bit better. One of my lamps doesn't have an off switch. Check that out! That's pretty rad. That's really cool. So now we are going to add this to the main mix, and again we're going to spoon it to try to avoid having them mix immediately. But first, here's all the plugs and stuff, because I know if I do these at the end, you're not going to listen. Okay, so go and follow Ansel Birch on Facebook, YouTube, and Ko-Fi. His name is Dungeon Barkeep on Twitter and Instagram. He has a website. To go and interact with him. And then my team too. We're Bad Astra on YouTube, Patreon, Linktree, Instagram, I think Twitter, TikTok. Don't go to our TikTok. I run our TikTok and it's not good because I don't do anything with it. Yeah, interact with us too. Interact with us in literally any way. Be nice to Ansel, but like us, like, you could cyberbully Bad Astra. I really don't care. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna add these. They might mix a little bit because the tonic water is carbonated. You know, I'm really good at spooning for someone who is very single. And also age 24 despite looking older. Okay, so there's a little bit of mixing going on, but that's fine. We're gonna turn off the lights. Look at that under black light again. Okay, we can kind of see some layering going on there. And now we can just go ahead and fully mix it because we're gonna drink it. There we go. And it maintains its bluish glow. Now, before you drink it, I highly recommend adding ice. I forgot the ice, so I'm not going to. And then, of course, putting it into a special glass, because presentation is everything. There we go. And do you know how to tell when it's properly mixed?
And you know how you can tell it's properly mixed?
That's pretty good. Give it a taste and find out. That's how you can tell. The best part is this is a mocktail, not a cocktail. So there's no peanut alcohol inside of it. So anyone of any age can enjoy this at any time. Of course, you can also just add whatever you want to it. I explicitly requested a mocktail, and that's why this joke is funny. So now I have approximately 30 minutes to edit and export this video before I am completely gone. So as they say in my country, goodbye.